Pinky Dinky Doo. Wow, this show rocks! This show is about a girl named Pinky with pink hair and a purple dress, and she likes to go on awesome adventures with her friends. Pinky is funny, and she's very good at making up stories. Tyler is cool. Mr. Guinea Pig is good. And Daphne Toilette is good. And the other characters are great. Too bad this show got cancelled in 2010. So, Pinky Dinky Doo rocks. And so is Clifford the Big Red Dog. End of salute.